Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and as you can see by the title, this is going to be a very easy one. If you know how to put on a hat, baby, you can put on this wig. And today's wig is from WowAfrican. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. They sent over this closure wig, all the detail on the screen and will be down below. But they sent over this closure wig, and it is a kinky curly bob. So it came as is. This is it straight out the box. I did not wash it, bleach the knots, pluck it. I did not do anything. And also like that the inside of the cap had these little silicone grippy thingy so that my wig wasn't sliding around. It was very snug but not tight and uncomfortable. It fit literally perfect. So I didn't have to do anything to this wig but put it on, honestly, as you can see. But of course I just did my little extras, which still took no time or effort. I like to cut the ends of the closure just so that it will blend a lot better. I like to spray my wig personally only for a better melt, for one, and for two, so that my wig isn't talking while I'm out. But to each his own. The wig is pretty snug. The silicone grippy thingies, I don't know what they're called, in the wig cap help for a snug fit. So honestly, even without the spray, the wig is pretty tight, but I just like that extra security, that extra meltage, you know? So I did my little touches. I am hot combing it, just literally like at the roots, I guess you would call it, like the front and the middle part. So this is how the wig looks within like 5 minutes of melting. Super easy. Again, you don't have to melt it, but it will elevate the look of it, or you can leave it alone. It is all up to you, baby. So after melting my wig, if there's any like extra pieces of lace, I will cut it. This is the only part of the lace that I cut besides the sides. I did not have to actually cut the lace. So again, if you're a beginner, you don't know what you're doing, you can wear this wig straight out the box. You don't have to do any of that, baby. It's all done for you. And I added a little powder in my part just for a little definition. I didn't want it too crisp or perfect, but just a little bit, and added a little bit of powder at the end. This is HD lace, so you don't have to add foundation or powder. I just did it just because. But again, it wasn't necessary. We know I'm extra by now, okay? So now it's time to actually style this hair. I loved how the hair was fluffy and big, but throughout the day, it is gonna get bigger. So it's best to like tame your hair before you go on about your day. So I like to just use some water. I like to use my detangling brush and some kind of like curling cream or something, a serum maybe to weigh the hair down, just so that throughout the day the hair won't get too, you know, out of control. But to each his own. I really like the messy big lioness kind of look, but everybody does not like that. But I have been wearing a lot of curly hair lately, and when I do, I prefer to just kind of tame it at the beginning of the day and call it a day. I know somebody's gonna ask like, how do you know, preserve your curls? Personally, I don't sleep in wigs. Like 95% of the times I take them off, but if I do, I literally just put the bonnet on and fluff my hair out in the morning and go. If you do want to refresh your curls for any reason, I'm gonna repeat this. If you want to refresh your curls for any reason, do not reapply any product. I am using the Miss Jessie's pillow curls. I've been obsessed with this. I've been using it on like all my curly hair or wavy hair or anything. Do not add more product because it's just gonna weigh your hair down and make it feel very like slimy and like heavy and like it has a film on it. Simply just add water to your hair and it's gonna activate the product. So if you've already applied product to your hair, say at the beginning of the week, moving forward, you don't have to apply anything. Maybe a serum to kind of like, you know, keep that frizz down or to give it that shine, or if you want it to have a nice little scent, but you will not need to continue applying product. That's why I've been obsessed with curly hair, because your girl has been lazy, so it has been working really good for me. So again, just spray your hair, brush through it, and then add your curl cream. I did take off the lace band before I did my makeup because I've just been kind of liking that better. And baby, look at the melt. It looks so good. And this is the hair about 95% wet. And once I did my makeup, you guys are gonna see I'm gonna come back. This looks so good and so juicy. When I come back, my hair is now about 75-80% dry, so it still looks really good. It's defined, it looks juicy, but it's not drenched. But yeah, now I'm pulling out some edges. I didn't necessarily want baby hairs, but I didn't want my hair to be pushed back. I feel like if you naturally had curly hair, you would have some kind of edge. You know, it's creating a different kind of hairline, nothing too straight, because that just makes it look more wiggy in my opinion. So I just pulled out some kind of edges, y'all. This is my first time, not my first time, but first time in a while executing it like this without it looking too baby hairish. So I was very pleased. And then when I come back with my lip on, my hair is about 95% dry, and it looks so good. I'm able to like finger comb it out with it getting bigger without it getting frizzy because of the products that I use. So I really did enjoy this hair. Make sure you guys again check the description box for WowAfrican. They have great wigs. We have yet again another banger. And thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys feeling the kinky curly? I've been a curly girl lately. Again, I've been very lazy, so it's been working for my lifestyle. If it's as easy as putting on a hat, sign me up. So once again, for the 100th time, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.